Welcome to Part 5. How to use the Patient and Practice Information Template. This tutorial assumes that you have created a reusable patient and practice information template, as described in Part 4. That you have successfully installed PhotoScape version 3.7. And have also installed the free Orthodontic Photo Montage template. Let's begin by navigating to Google Drive in your browser. Locate and click in the search box. Start by typing the name of the template that you created in Part 4. Until you see the name appear in the search results dropdown. Now, click on the name. Your reusable patient and practice information template will open in a new browser window. A word of note, if this is your first time using the template, please check the page size. Click File in the menu bar. And then choose Page Setup in the drop-down menu. In the Page Setup dialog box, click on the Units box and change the units to pixels in the drop-down menu. The horizontal measurement should be 1049. And the vertical measurement should be 688. If yours doesn't, then change yours to match these settings. And then click the blue Apply button. If you do change these settings, then you will need to horizontally recenter your practice logo and text box to the page. Now, let's change your patient information. Click in the text box and modify the patient name, date, and age. Next, let's save the entire page, as an image file, in the corresponding patient folder. Choose File in the menu bar. And then select Download in the drop-down menu. Click on the PNG image in the flyout menu. In the Save As dialog box, navigate to your Patients folder. Then click the Save button. Congratulations! You now have your practice and patient information ready to place in your orthodontic photo montage. Now, let's navigate to PhotoScape and your orthodontic photo montage. Begin by left-clicking in the center panel. In the Open Image dialog box, navigate to your Patient folder. Then, select your recently created practice and patient information image. And click the Open button. Your photo montage is complete and ready to save. Click the Save button, located in the upper right-hand corner of PhotoScape. In the Save dialog box, navigate to your Patients folder. Next, name your file. Then click on the Save button. In the JPEG Quality dialog box, drag the quality slider all the way to the right. And then click the OK button. Congratulations! Your free orthodontic photo montage is done.